Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to match system color with wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on wallpaper and style. After click on wallpaper and style, click on color palette. If you want to match system color with wallpaper, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see system is match with wallpaper color. You will see on music app, click on app, you will see. After the process, so that's how you can match system color with wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.